Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and install EasyPark. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or App Store, whichever you of course have. This video is made only for Apple users, so we are currently in the App Store. So first of all, as you can see, we have the Today, where you can see all the applications that are hot at today. We have the Games, where you can go and check out only games. We have Apps, where you can check out all of the apps on the App Store, and Arcade, where you can check out that. But what we will be focusing on today is the search, which is in the bottom right corner. When you click on the search bar, what you need to do is go to the search bar and click EasyPark. So it's EISUPRARK. So EasyPark, click that. And here, as you can see, you have the application in front of you. So now when you did that, what you need to do guys is click on the application. When you clicked on, you can see that you have a lot of options. So we can see we have the rating, we have the age, chart, developers, everything in one place. And you can see the size of the application, which is, as you can see, 100 megabytes. Then you just need to go and click on Get to get the application. Double click for Apple users, of course. And then you just need to wait for the application to actually go and download. Until then, you can do whatever you want, of course. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.